Hi everyone, let's take one question from class 12 CBSE sample paper of chemistry. Here I have this question. This question has two parts. In the part A, account for the following observations, and here three segments are given. First is SF4 is easily hydrolyzed, whereas SF6 is not easily hydrolyzed. We have to answer this further. Chlorine water is a powerful bleaching agent, the second part, and in the third part it is said bismuth in +5 oxidation state is a stronger oxidizing agent than antimony in +5 oxidation state. We have to account for the following observations further. In the part B, what happens when? First is white phosphorus is heated with concentrated sodium hydroxide solution in an inert atmosphere of carbon dioxide. Further, XeF6 undergoes partial hydrolysis, and in this case we have to write the chemical reaction taking place also. Now let's start this question with the first part, and you should always remember this is 5-marker question in which 1 mark for each segment you are obtaining. So let's start with the first part. Account for the following observation, and here is SF4 that is easily hydrolyzed, whereas SF6 is not easily hydrolyzed. For answering this question you are going to get 1 mark, and you can answer this question by writing the explanation for that. What would be the explanation? SF4, you can clearly see sulfur atom is there, 4 fluorine atoms are present around it. And if I talk about SF6, sulfur atom is centrally located and 6 fluorine atoms are present there. In this case, this SF6 is more sterically hindered, while in case of SF4 that is not so. So we can answer this question as sulfur atom in SF4 is not sterically protected as it is surrounded by only 4 fluorine atoms. The thing that you should always remember here, that this SF4 is not sterically protected because it has only 4 fluorine atoms present here. So attack of the water molecules can take place easily in this case because only 4 fluorine atoms are there, while in contrast sulfur atom in SF6 is protected by 6 fluorine atoms, as you can clearly see with its chemical formula. Thus, attack by water molecules cannot take place, and that is why hydrolysis is not possible in case of SF6. It is not easily hydrolyzed. While answering this question, you will obtain 1 mark for this segment. For this, you would be getting 1 mark. Now, the second part. Chlorine water is a powerful bleaching agent. In case of chlorine water, it is acting as a powerful bleaching agent. The reason is the process of oxidation. You can answer this question by writing chlorine water produces nascent oxygen. This nascent oxygen causes oxidation, and that oxidation results in bleaching action of this chlorine. Simply, you can represent this with the help of reaction that you have chlorine. It is chlorine water, it means H2O is present here, and there is the formation of nascent oxygen, and this nascent oxygen when come in contact with the colored substance, it results in decolorization of that. It means bleaching action. If you write this part, you will obtain 1 mark. Until now you have obtained 2 marks. Now left with next part. Bismuth in +5 oxidation state is a stronger oxidizing agent than antimony in +5 oxidation state. And if you just want to answer this, you should know the inert pair effect. And we can answer this as due to inert pair effect, bismuth is more stable in +3 oxidation state. We know that. Further, bismuth in +5 oxidation state can accept a pair of electron, and while doing so, it becomes more stable. It becomes Bi3+, and it means it is a stronger oxidizing agent. And yes, that is why bismuth is stronger oxidizing agent in +5 oxidation state than antimony in +5 oxidation state. You will get 1 mark. It's a turn for the next part of the question, that is B part. What happens when? First, white phosphorus is heated with concentrated sodium hydroxide solution in an inert atmosphere of carbon dioxide. This is exactly the preparation of phosphine gas, and we need to just write here the chemical equation also. So we can answer this as phosphorus undergoes disproportionation reaction. What type of reaction it is? It is a special type of redox reaction, that is disproportionation reaction, in which same substance is getting oxidized and reduced both, and in this reaction there is the formation of phosphine. Further, I have written here the chemical reaction that is taking place. That's why you will obtain 1 mark for this. After that, the next part, XeF6. This is the compound of inert element xenon. It undergoes partial hydrolysis. So here is the solution of this part, that on partial hydrolysis, XeF6 gives oxyfluoride, XeOF4 and HF. It means two substances are formed. One is XeOF4 and other is 2HF. This reaction, if you write in your answer, then definitely you will obtain 1 mark for this segment also. So till now we have obtained 5 marks for this particular question. I hope this is clear to you, and in the similar manner you have to write the answers for all the questions given in your question paper in your board exams. Stay tuned for the video solutions of your board exams for the respective date. Thank you so much for watching.